Affiliate marketing gets thrown around like some mysterious money hack. But here's the truth. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real system. And when you understand how it works, it can be one of the smartest building blocks of wealth. I'm Aria Cruz, and this is Cashmere and Capital. Here we explore how women can design wealth, not just through traditional careers, but through creative systems that give you freedom and options. Today, I'm breaking down affiliate marketing explained for beginners, so you actually understand how it works, how people earn with it, and how you can start the right way. Step 1. What is affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is earning a commission by recommending a product or service. When someone buys through your unique link, you get paid. It's like being a digital connector. You don't own the product, you don't ship it, you don't provide customer service. You just connect people to what they already want. Step 2. How the system works. Think of it like 3 players. The company that offers the product. The affiliate, that's you, the customer who buys through your link. Companies give you a trackable link. Every time a sale happens through that link, the company credits you with a commission. Step 3. Where to start as a beginner. The easiest way to start is with affiliate networks. Places like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Impact, or individual brand programs. But here's my advice. Don't promote everything. Choose products you believe in, things you'd actually use and recommend. Authenticity builds trust. Step 4. How affiliates actually make money. There are 4 main ways beginners start. Content platforms, blogs, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, email marketing, sharing resources with your audience, niche sites, dedicated to a specific problem or product. Reviews plus tutorials, helping people decide what to buy. Notice the pattern? The affiliates who win aren't just dropping links, they're building trust and solving problems. Step 5. Common mistakes, beginners. Make promoting random products with no connection to their audience, expecting overnight income. Affiliate marketing compounds over time, not disclosing affiliate links, which you must do. It's legally required and builds credibility. Step 6. How to scale. Once you understand the basics, you scale by growing your audience. Partnering with higher commission or recurring products, like software or memberships building systems, evergreen content, SEO, automated email funnels. Affiliate marketing isn't about spamming links. It's about influence, trust, and design. You're creating a system where your knowledge and recommendations can generate income in the background. Think of it this way. Every piece of content is like a tiny employee working for you 24/7. If this opened up affiliate marketing for you, hit subscribe and join us here at Cashmere and Capital. Tell me in the comments, what product or service would you feel confident recommending as an affiliate? Because when you align what you promote with who you are, affiliate marketing becomes not just income, but integrity.